Hello everyone, today I bring to you the exclusive first look of new launch APC Easy UPS BVX series. APC new Easy BVX series comes into different product ratings option from 700 VA till 2200 VA for various load applications. I am Nitin Manwani, sales head at MSP Group. So let's get started. So here is the first look of the UPS. The model what we have is BVX 2200 Li, which is a 2200 VA machine, and you can connect devices that use maximum up to 1200 watts of power. This belongs to Line Interactive system of UPS. If you want to know what is Line Interactive, watch our previous episode of Dr. Amps. You can check that with a link in the description. So while I introduce you to the product, you guys like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. And if you are watching this on Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram, like and follow our page because we have an exciting surprise for you for this product series. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. Let's now discuss more about the product. So as you can see guys, this product has a premium standard design, and its compact form factor is ideal not only for home but also for the office and business space. Let us see what do we have in the front panel. Here we have a power on and off button, product label, and a USB charging port, which is very interesting. Not many UPS comes with this. You can charge your phone, tablet and other devices which uses a USB cable for charging. And on the box it was mentioned it has a LED indicator. We will see at the moment once we turn on this. Now let us look at the back of the product. As we can see, there is an input power cable which is attached to the product. On the top side there is a fan provided for cooling, and we will discuss about this yellow switch shortly. We can see 5 output sockets are available in the product, which provides battery backup as well as protection from power problems. There is also a push button circuit breaker which we can use to reset the product in case of any overload. There is details in the product output power capacity which you can see here as mentioned as 1200 watts or 9.6 amps. Now coming to this yellow switch, when we need to start the product for the first time, we need to connect this switch like this to connect the batteries inside the UPS system. Once it is connected, now we will switch on the UPS system. You have to press this button for few seconds and UPS will start. Here you can see LED indicators on both sides of front panel, and it is going very well with the design of the product. We have not connected this UPS system to mains power, so now you can hear alarm sound as it is working on batteries. This product comes with 2 years warranty on UPS and 1 year on batteries. So this was the first look of APC BVX 2200 Li, and important note, this product is available only on e-commerce platform. You cannot buy it from any store. Having said that, here is a surprise for you. MSP Group, along with this exclusive first look, we bring to you exclusive pre-booking offer only on MSP web store. Just use the code MSP BVX and get 20% discount on pre-booking of this series of products only on mspwebstore.com. Hurry up, this is a limited period offer. Check it now with the link in the description. That is it for this episode. I hope you like the video. Let us know your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video. We will be coming up with detailed product review in our upcoming video. Thank you. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.